So you think you need to become an expert, or you need thousands of followers to start making money online? Think again, because YouTube has proven that anyone can turn their passion into profit with just their phone camera and the passion to create content. So imagine you're someone who loves to cook. You love to cook. Just put together one or two ingredients, come up with recipes, try different dishes, just like that. You do this for fun. This is just your normal, what you like to do, right? And then you have people who eat this food and tell you how amazing or how nice your recipes are. So what if you start recording this content? Just record them and put it out there. You see that you even start to build a community of people who love to cook, or you inspire someone to pick up ingredients and start doing the things you do too. That's the power of YouTube. That's where YouTube come in. That's where you see this amazing things start coming in. So for passion and purpose of creating your YouTube channel, all right, as someone who loves to cook, let's say you start creating content around what you do. You create a tutorial on how you prepare a certain kind of dish, or maybe not even a tutorial. You just share your process, how I make this kind of dish, how I do this, and then you call someone to test it, and they describe how amazing it is on camera, right? Let's say that's the kind of content you create, or you just show the process, right? You find out that you start creating a community of people who love those kind of content, of people who love food, of people who want to start cooking, people who are learning how to cook, people who want to try your kind of recipe. You just build a community of people like that. Now you connect with these people, they send you feedbacks, they can comment on your videos or your contents and tell you one or two things about what you do, or how they do theirs too, or how they love what you're doing. You just get feedbacks from these people, right? You see that you start creating community of people who love what you do, and you can connect with them. You get feedbacks, and you grow from there too. So from there you get visibility. You can get promotion, or even get to collaborate with other big cooks, people that are also in the same niche doing the kind of things you do. You can come together and decide to create something together with those people, right? So now you see that you are growing, you're leaving your comfort zone, and you're collaborating with other people now. So they can also invite you to events to talk about what you do. You can get speaking engagements and all that. So that's a very good way to show the world what you do. So you don't necessarily need to be an expert. Just love what you do and show the world what you do. That's just it. So for personal branding, think of YouTube as your personal billboard. All right, think of it as your personal billboard, where you can showcase your talent, you can share your knowledge, you can show the process, show your process, your growth process. Everything must not be completely put together perfect for you to show it. Show the process, how you're coming along, how you're growing. All right, you can show your process till you grow into an expert in your field, right? You build a reputation for yourself openly on YouTube, just like that. All right, just doing this opens doors to new opportunities. You get to meet with new people who try out new things, because you also try to improve yourself. You keep improving yourself each video at a time, just like that. And from there you get to collaborate with other creators and try out new things, even get engagements and build your own community. That if you build a strong personal brand, that opens doors to lots of good opportunities in the future. All right, so you can even get speaking engagements to talk about what you do and how you do it, and also inspire someone to do what you do. Financial opportunities. Okay, let's talk about the financial opportunities, or how you can open doors to financial opportunities, right? So let's say an artist, or your friend is an artist, or a chef, or just a cook. You just put together different ingredients and recipes and try out try out different things, right? And then while doing this, you started creating content and putting out your process. You started teaching, or maybe providing some kind of value online through the kind of content you put out, right? So you keep doing this and you build a community, and then let's say one of your videos just blow up, and then your channel gets monetized. YouTube starts putting out adverts on your channel. You start getting paid through adverts, collaborations, or merchandise, or any kind of, or different kinds of ways that you can get paid online. All right, so let's say you start doing that and start making money online. The YouTube channel can become your main source of income because it gets monetized, and you can start pursuing your passion full time. You don't need to do any 9 to 5. You just focus on this and start doing it full time. Right. So to get monetized on YouTube, you need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, right? So you can start putting out content. It only takes a few contents to get to that. And if you want to learn how I was able to get more than 1,000 subscribers in few days, just check this video, or click on this video to check it out. And that is after you finish watching this video. All right, check this video to see how you can do that too. All right, so for the next benefits of creating a YouTube, of why you should start a YouTube channel in 2024, is community building. All right, one of the most rewarding things about YouTube or creating content is the community of like-minded people that support you, people that love what you do, right? That comes around your channel. They're always eager to see the next content you're putting out, and they also engage on your content, and you kind of connect with these people. It's a good way to feel connected with people, right? You support each other by sharing your views and your opinions, and learn and grow together. That community, that's a very beautiful thing to have. So the next on the list is creative outlets. All right, YouTube is like a blank canvas where you can experiment with different formats, different styles, different storytelling techniques. It's just a way for you to express yourself, whether you're into comedy, you are into entertainment, education, you want to put out educational content, or just teach something. Any way you're trying to bring value into YouTube, or be creative, right? YouTube is a perfect platform to do that. You can share your knowledge and basically have fun doing that. You just come up with your own style, your own unique style. You can just try different things that works for you. Just try different things, and it's just a blank canvas. So what are you going to do with it? What do you want to put out? How do you want people to see you? How do you want to come? And you must not stick to one. You can try different things. That's where the creativity comes in, right? So you're creative. You have a creative mind, and you have different ideas come into your head. So you can try to put it out there. And you see people with those kind of minds, like-minded people, who come and watch that content and also relate to it and engage with that content. So that's just it. So be creative and put out whatever comes to mind. Just have fun with it, and then you see your people will find you on YouTube. As simple as that. So the next on the list is skill development. All right, skill development. Running a YouTube channel requires a variety of skills, from video editing to graphic design to public speaking. As you grow your channel, you develop the skills. You work on the skills because you keep getting better and better each video at a time. And before you know it, you become well-rounded in all the skills. You become better. You become someone that can do it anytime, any day. It becomes part of you. All right. And for video editing and graphic designs tutorial, check out some of my videos on my channel. Check out my videos. I put out content on that. All right. After watching this video, you check out some of those videos. They would be of great help to you. All right. So the next on the list is flexibility and freedom. One of the biggest perks of being a YouTuber is the flexibility and the freedom it offers. All right. So creating content, there's no strict rules on the day or when you're supposed to create content, so nobody is breathing down your neck trying to give you deadlines. So you have the freedom to choose the project you want to work on, to choose the time you want to work on this project. You can work from anywhere in the world, all right? You set your own schedules, you decide what you want to do and when you want to do them. Like you basically choose your own projects and work on them. Develop your creative mind, do things, live life on your own time. It's a great way to achieve this work-life balance. So what are you waiting for? Grab your camera and start creating content. You don't need anything fancy to do this. Basically, you can start today, you can start now to embark on your YouTube journey. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this video up until this point. I really appreciate you. So please, if you have any question, please leave it on the comment section. I'm going to be answering all your questions. All right, give this video a thumbs up and check this other video to know exactly how you can get to 1,000 subscribers after watching this video. Thank you very much.